Hello my friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be doing a unboxing video for you today. I was, a company called Your Creative Studio reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to do an unboxing on my channel. And I kind of looked at their website and she seemed to have some really cool stuff, so I thought I would go ahead and do it. So I do want to let you know this is gifted, and I do appreciate that. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. All I've done is literally just cut the box open, and I haven't even really looked inside. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Okay, really cute. I love the bright yellow and the little sticker there. So let's go ahead and open it. It's kind of like a vintage journaling type kit, and I do believe that it's a monthly kit that they have. So there's some papers here. I believe this one's more like a travel theme. So these are some cool papers. They are like a craft paper, and they are pretty thin. It looks like they're double-sided, which is nice. I do really like this one particularly. I love the train, and yeah, those are really cool. Okay, and then we've got some stickers here that are some tickets. There's some cinema tickets and just some regular tickets. Cute. And it looks like we have little, so it looks like some Post-its maybe? Let's check this out. There's some Post-its here. They're all kind of just they're all the same little thing. So maybe some like little ephemera pieces you can use, some cool oriental writing, a little stamp. And then there's some washi tape here. Looks like tickets, transfer tickets. Let's go ahead and open this. All right, so that was a little bit hard to get off at the beginning, but I think it was just like the holding piece. But these are pretty cool because they're actually individual like little pieces of like tickets that are stickers. And when they pull them off, they have like the little holes in the sides and then the perforated edges. I really like those. I think those are cool. Yeah, I'm excited for that. I'm just going to put this on there like this. Because we've got plenty of these in this box. The quantity of each of these things is like, I mean, look how thick this sticker book is. Or a sticker roll. This is going to take forever for me to go through this. I'm going to just grab a rubber band, put around this, to hold that on. Okay. And then let's see, what is this? Just a, oh, these are cool. Oh, I like this. It's like a little piece of acetate. No. What is this? This is an acetate. This is a, oh my gosh, why can't I think of the word? I can't think of the word. It's not acetate though. But look, they have like bingos, cards, and then like little tickets. Those are cool. And then they have receipts, like old-fashioned receipts, and labels, and invoices. Another little guest check. And then half, so it's basically, look how many you get. You get all of these pieces that have printed stuff on them. And then these ones are just plain little pieces. I really like that. I think that's really cool. I really like that. That's super cool. Okay, and then there's a bookmark, little Paris bookmark. I like the background of that. Let's see what this is. This is a cool little pouch this came in. Definitely use that little plastic pouch. Okay, so this looks like just little ephemera pieces. Oh, I like that it's thin too, because like a lot of times with the Tim Holtz ones, they're pretty thick cardboard or cardstock, and sometimes you don't need that. You don't want that kind of bulk in your journals and stuff. So there's a couple of these, some grocery store ones, some elementary school things, another grocery, some invoices, just some like old-fashioned dairy company invoice. Those are cool, and I really do like that they're thin. And I like this packaging. That's really cool. I've got to figure out what I can do with that. And then they have a stamp that's got a bus service, New York Bus Company one-way ticket at stamp. So it's a wooden stamp. And this is a receipt book. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh, they're pink. That's cool. Harrison Telegram. Are they all the same? Yep. Little bus non-transfer tickets. That's pretty cute. They're bright pink. Okay, what's this one? Let's see. What is in here? Let's open it this way. Oh, I think it's another stamp. Yep. It's like a little invoice stamp. Oh, I like that it's white. It feels like a really nice stamp, nice quality stamp. And there's another washi tape in here. It's just got like a little decorative pattern on it, looks like. Let's see if I can find the end. Sometimes finding the ends on these things is really hard. I think I found it. Like a little design on it, a little black. That's kind of cool. I like that. Just to add a little touch to the page. Okay, what's this one? Okay, so it's actually the same as the stamp. So little invoices. Okay, and then one more little ephemera pack here. Like a bunch of ephemera pieces, and again, they're pretty thin. Yeah, I really like those. Very cool. All right, so yeah, so I believe that I'm going to put the price of what these boxes are at the top, and of course I'll link her shop down below, her website actually down below, and if you're interested in purchasing them, I got this for free, so it's just something she asked me to show you guys. So I'm really glad that I got it. I really think it's really cool. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again real soon. Bye for now.